Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a great Amazon find for you. So let me go ahead and show you. I don't know, let me know if you want. I usually don't buy all kinds of Amazon finds. Like, this is an electronic candle lighter. So this is my second one. Oh, those aren't the best scissors for that one. Let's see. If you haven't had one of these, holy smokes, they're so good. So I normally have one of these laying right by my candles. They are pretty. I will put a link in the description for you, but it just looks like a pen. So you're not going to have like little ones trying to get to them or do anything like that. At least mine don't. But, I mean, can you tell that that's a lighter? And it comes with a charger. This one is in a nice gold color. I think the hardest part of this whole thing is just getting it all out of the packaging. But, do you see those little guys come out? That's all it is. So, it's on. And I don't know if you could see that little flame. So, it already has a little bit of a charge. This is where you charge it. And then, I got my brand new Bath & Body Works candle. You guys, cinnamon spiced vanilla and Paris Cafe. These are one of the blends. So they have one, a candle called Paris Cafe, and they have one called cinnamon spiced vanilla. They blended them together. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So all you're gonna do is once you flip that on, you just go like this and you're gonna hold it. And you can see that it's already lighting just like that. So really easy. And that's it. So brand new just for you guys. Now I'm gonna try. Did you see the blowout test? So no matter what kind of wind you have, it's gonna stay lit. It's staying lit. So really easy. Then you just flip it off. And then when you go to charge it, you plug that guy in, you plug it to your charger, and it's good to go. And then you can just store it however you'd like in your little holders, however you'd like. So if this is of value to you, me doing these little unboxings of some of my favorite things, let me know and I will do some more. All right, beauties, have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will talk to you later. Bye.